Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to find this problem solution. Find the y parameters of the network shown below from z parameters. So first we have to find out z parameters. From z we need to find out y parameters. You can see here the given network is an T network. So whenever the network is given as T network, we have Z11, Z12. We had solved a lot of problems on Z parameters T network. It's very simple to find out. So Z11 is the sum of uh, series branch. So this is nothing but J40 and this is minus J60. Z12 is the shunt branch. The shunt branch is minus J160. If you want to know how to solve this T network, already a lot of videos are done on Z parameters, just refer it. So this value I will leave in the cart also if you want to know the things. So this is J60. Z22 is the sum of these two branches. This is nothing but minus J160 plus J80. Okay, so therefore this is minus J120 ohms. This is minus J80 ohms. So successfully we have found the Z parameters from the given analysis of Z parameters. So from this Z we need to find out Y parameters. So how to find out these Y parameters? The formula is Y is equal to 1 by Z. We need to find out Z inverse. So before finding the Z inverse, let's try to see the formula for this, how to represent. Okay. So here what we are going to do is, generally if you have A is given as A, B, C, D or the elements, then A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant. Determinant is AD minus BC of, so the diagonal elements get swapped out. So here you will get D, here you will get A, and here you are going to get minus B and minus C. So this is what we want to find out. So from here we need to find out y11, y12, y21. So how to find out is, so first you have to determine delta z. So delta z is nothing but z11 z22 minus z12 and z21. So if you find out this delta z, this is nothing but j120 multiplied with j22 is minus j80 minus z12 is minus j160 whole square. Use your calculators, automatically you can calculate it. So this is going to give us the value of 16,000. So this is the value of delta z. So how much you are going to get here is, so here you see here the diagonal elements has to be reversed. Therefore here you are going to get z22 and here you are going to get z11 divided by delta z divided by delta z. So here this z12 and z21 there, but we have to get negative polarity. So here we are going to write down minus z12 divided by delta z, and here you are going to get minus z21 divided by delta z. So just substitute in this problem, then you can easily find the solution. So here after substitution I'm going to get the value of, what is the value of z22? Already we have been calculated. The value of z22 is how much? Minus j80 divided by how much? 16,000. Here minus j12, minus j12 is how much? Minus j160 divided by 16,000. And what is z21? Z21 is minus j160 divided by 16,000. And what is z11? What is z11? This is nothing but minus j120. Z1 is minus 120 divided by 16,000. So this is the resultant answer of our problem. So we initially determine Z parameters. From Z parameters, we have been find inverse of that. We have been obtained the values of. So these are the values of. So these are the values of uh, our resultant answer, which is y11, which is y12, and which is nothing but y21 as well as y22. So hope you have understood this problem of solving. So like this, we'll be solving some number of problems which will help you to understand. So just is like a revision. So already in our channel, we have the solution how to find out the Z parameters for a given T network is already solved multiple times. Just refer it. It's nothing but the series addition of these two is Z11 is nothing but input transfer impedance. Z22 is the sum of these two, and the shunt branch is nothing but this one, and this shunt branch is this one. So from this we have been obtained Z11 Z matrix parameter. We had performed inverse of that. We successfully determined Y parameters. Hope if you feel the video is useful, please give a like, share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching for the first time, please kindly subscribe the channel, and please give a valuable comments or like, which will help us to do more videos. Yours obediently from. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.